Is your child suffering from low motivation? They might be just because of how you're influencing their motivation. You got to understand the difference between intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation. 99% of the time, we were taught through extrinsic measures. For instance, let's say you want your child to clean their room. So what you're gonna say is, hey, if you clean your room every single day this week, I'll give you allowance at the end of the week. So that's an extrinsic motivator for your child to clean the room, right? But intrinsic motivation is your child cleaning their room just because they realize the importance of cleaning. Intrinsic motivation, you want to be able to do things and basically change it in their mind to where they want to do things because they feel motivated to do it for their own well-being and not because somebody else is giving them a reward for doing it. So you can put this in different scenarios such as sports where, intrinsically motivated athletes end up becoming the ones that make it to college and go pro because they're playing for different reasons rather than a win or a loss, right? You can turn it into different things like grades. So, intrinsically motivated students actually want to get good grades because they want to do it for their own personal well-being and not because they're getting a reward at home or whatever the case may be. So make sure that you know the difference between intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, and that'll help you out with the motivation with your students.